POCO has launched the POCO C85x 5G in India as its latest budget 5G smartphone. The device joins the company's C-series lineup a few months after the POCO C85, which was introduced in December last year. The new model focuses on a large display, basic performance hardware, and a large battery. The POCO C85x 5G features a 6.9-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate and reaches up to 660 nits typical brightness, with peak brightness going up to 810 nits in high brightness mode. It also supports DC dimming and carries TV Rhineland low blue light and flicker-free certifications. The phone is powered by the octa-core Unisoc T8300 processor built on a 6nm process. The chipset includes two Cortex-A78 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores running at 2 GHz, along with an ARM Mali G57MC2 GPU. The device comes with 4 GB LPDDR4X RAM and supports up to 4 GB additional RAM expansion. Storage options include 64 GB and 128 GB UFS 2.2 storage. Users can expand storage up to 1 TB using a microSD card. The device runs Android 16 with Xiaomi HyperOS. For cameras, the phone has a 32MP rear primary camera along with a secondary sensor. On the front, there is an 8MP camera with an f/2.0 aperture placed inside the display notch. The POCO C85x 5G packs a 6,300 mAh battery with support for 15W fast charging, and the charger is included in the box. The company says the battery can retain up to 80% of its health after 1,000 charging cycles, which is roughly over 3 years of use. The device also supports 7.5W reverse wire charging. Connectivity features include 5G SA and NSA support across N1, N3, N5, N8, N28, N40, and N78 bands. The phone also supports dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 8.0 2.11 AC with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS with GLONASS, and a USB Type-C port. Other features include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and FM radio. The phone measures 171.56 by 79.47 by 8.15mm and weighs 210 g. It also carries an IP52 rating for dust and water resistance. The POCO C85x 5G comes in black, gold, and green. The 4GB plus 64GB variant is priced at 10,999 rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB version costs 11,999 rupees. The smartphone will go on sale on Flipkart starting March 14th.